Hello everyone, today we'll be drawing this Mickey Mouse, so let's get started. To draw a cute Mickey, first we're supposed to start with the eyes. So draw a circle and go right across and draw one more circle. Now go back to the first circle and draw smaller circles. And a curved line at the bottom. Then start shading on the top part. Make lines at the bottom. Repeat the same thing on the other eye. Shade the part. And make the lines below. Now we are done with the eyes. Let's go back to the center and make the nose. So to make the nose, right there you're supposed to draw a small little oval. Just like that. And make another small oval on the top of that. Be careful about the shape and then shape the part below. Okay, so now that we are done with the eyes and nose, let's start with the face. Go up it right there and draw a point. Do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, right there. It's supposed to be a bit bottom towards the eye. Now start with a shallow curve on both the sides and just go and join them. We're done with the chin. Make sure it's curved on both the sides. And then we're gonna draw the top part. Come on the center and go straight up. Somewhere in the center, draw a point. You're supposed to make a curve over there. Start with the curve and make a curve. Yeah, just like that. And do the same thing on the other side. So now we have the Mickey's face ready. Now we're gonna start with the shape. So right about there, make a point all the way around. Start. Make another point over there and join. Continue the curve on the other side, just like the one before. Now you're supposed to bring it all the way down, just like that. On the other side as well. And then you're supposed to make it flat at the bottom. Be careful about your curve. Now it's all done. Let's come back top to the corner and start with the ears. So make a point over there first, near the eye and there. and do the same thing on the other side. And now join the dots, making a curve, a huge curve around the shape of a ear. The same thing on the other side. Make a curve and join it on the other dot. So now we are done with the ears, and make sure it's on the same height. Okay, now we'll do the body. Right about there. Make a curve for the details in the body. Okay, then you're supposed to make 2 ovals. We're done with 1 oval. Now for the second oval, make sure you make the dots. So that's going to be of the same size. Make another oval of the same size. We are done with it. Now we'll just make a small heart in the corner. Make 2 dots. Make 2 curves for making a heart. So we are now ready with our Mickey Mouse.